All right, so hey everyone, how's it going today? I'm going to do a little video series here on why wealthy affiliate, why choose wealthy affiliate for your training and your web hosting and your business needs here for affiliate marketing. These reasons aren't in any particular order, but I have this one listed as number one just because it probably is the best one, and that fact that it's free. Wealthy affiliate is 100% free for the starter account, and you get a lot with the starter account. Let's take a look at what you get here, or what's inside. You get the getting started level 1, which is here. And we have all these lessons here: getting rolling, understanding how to make money online, choosing a niche. You want to build a niche website, building your niche website, set up your website, getting ready for search engines. I'm not going to go through all these. Just going to move along here. So you can see there's a lot of things here. You have the course benefits and the learning outcomes. So much stuff here. Here's some reviews and stuff like that. This is a great foundation course on how to get started with online business. Everything is laid out in a simple and easy to understand format. There are no upsells or any other forced payment. Awesome. So yeah, another cool thing, there's no upsells. Well, of course, it's free to start, but once you go to the premium route, there's no upsells. So let's go take a dive in here, see what's going to skip this level 2, understanding how to make money online. Again, I'm not going to go through all these. I'm just going to try to keep this as quick and brief as possible. So basically, everything here is free. All these lessons, we have video lessons, we have the things here. We have explaining the wealthy affiliate system. Basically, you create a site, sign up for affiliate programs, and make commissions off each sale you get from your website. Moving along. So yeah, and then we just check off everything. So this is included in the free thing, service. 2 free websites, which by the way, you can just build right over here. We have a website builder here. So everything you need to get started right away for 100% free. There's no credit card needed, none of that stuff, no upsells or whatever. This is a starter program here. Live help 7 days a week, 2 websites, website backup, beginner training course, affiliate, your personal blog here on WA as well. There's just so much stuff. There's a huge community. Check out some of my other videos. I have many other reasons why to join. This is just a quick one. It's free, 100% free. Like I said, sign for my link. You will see my profile. I will contact you. Then you go to my profile. This is my profile here. And I'll be in touch. So check it out. That's all for now, and I will talk to you soon.